You've done so much for me, I cannot tell it all.
I have a lot of unboxing to do, but I cannot unbox everything. We have quite a lot of things to share. I'm really excited. I've been waiting to make this video, but I'm like, hold up. I wanted the stuff I want to use to make the video to come before I made this video, and finally it's here. It came 3 days ago, so ayeba. Somebody call it Bobo. I'm so excited. Oh, we bought me a car as a push gift. You guys, I deserve it. Yes, I really deserve this car. I remember when I gave birth to Jasmine in 2022, Obi was like, what should I get you for push gift? Because my husband is so particular. If you want to get me something like this big, he normally asks me, what do you want? Apart from my engagement, because my engagement I had no clue, but I thank God the ring we bought, I really loved it. But you see, this kind of presents and all, he will ask you, what do you want, so that when I give you, really appreciate it. Although I'm someone that appreciates even little gifts, little thing, anything at all. For me, any little thing counts. I appreciate it so much. So he asked me during Jasmine's birth, I think 2 months after or so. He was asking me, what should I get you as push gifts? He said, I cannot get you a car, you don't know how to drive, you don't even own a license. So what should I get you as push gifts? Then I needed a camera. I was like, I need Canon M50 Mark II. And I got it. I got it in June 2022, and I gave birth to Jasmine in March 2022. So this time around, I did my license in 2024 last year. So not that I was just expecting a car, no, because we had a lot of things going on at the time. I had Diana, so I wasn't really thinking my husband would buy me a car. I didn't even think about it. So he asked me. No, he just came to me and said, baby, I know you deserve a car. And I said, yes now, before Uncle. I was joking, I thought maybe you want to say I would have bought you a car, but I have this and that doing, you know what we are doing, this and that. But no, he said, I know you deserve a car and I'll get you one. I'm like, Odogu, interesting. I was just smiling and laughing. We talked about it and I thought that was the end, and I thought it was a joke as well. He said that, I think on Thursday, then on Monday of it, it was like, tomorrow, Tuesday, get ready. We are going to do change of ownership for your car. I'm like, I was surprised. I didn't expect it, like. Anyways, on Tuesday he went to work, and when he was coming back from work, he told me that I should get ready, that we are going to do the change of ownership that Tuesday. So I got ready, dressed my girls, and we went. So we did the change of ownership. I'm going to put the picture here. We did the change of ownership. I took pictures with the car, and I was like, I'm not going to tell my YouTube people yet. I'm going to snap an official picture before I'll tell my YouTube people. So after taking that pictures, I already ordered my car accessories online. So I was waiting for the car accessories to come, things I'm going to use to decorate my car. See the way I'm saying it. I was saying I want to buy the stuff I'm going to use to decorate my car. When it comes, then I'll share it with you guys. So they finally came. So you guys, I now own a car. So this is a used car, but neatly used. It's not brand new, but neatly used. So you guys, I now own a car. My husband bought the car, did the change of ownership payment. You guys know in Italy, if you buy a car, especially used car, you need to do change of ownership. So they will transfer the name of the person and everything, documents everything on your name. So he did that, he paid, he did insurance, like he insured the car before giving me the keys. I've been cruising my car all this while though. Hey! But the only problem we're having now is that the car engine is big. We've already did the payment. It was only the change of ownership that was remaining before Obi found out that the car engine was too big for me because I'm a new license owner. But that's not a problem because Obi can be using it. I'll be using Obi's car for now till my license will get to 1 year. Then collect my property back. Anyways, I'm now on a car and I've been cruising it, but for now I will have to stick with driving Obi's car, especially when I'm going to far distance because of police. If they catch me with big engine and I have license less than a year, they are going to deduct from my points. That's what I think is going to happen. So let me officially show you guys what I got. I've already unboxed it because I also got some things for Obi's car, so I've given him his own. So these ones are my own. You know now, YouTubers, we must do an official unboxing before we spill the tea. But my husband, once he buys a thing, he will just open up the use. So yeah, I got this for my headrest, my car headrest. Let me show you guys. I'm going to use red to decorate my car. See what I got for the headrests. I'll insert pictures so you guys will see it where. I bought 2 for my seat and passenger seats. I got foot match for my car. This one is very beautiful. 2 for the front. These two is for the back of the car, the back seats. I got these straps, but I'm so disappointed at these straps because I ordered for red. They brought us blood for me for the seat belts. I got this one. I got this for the handbrake and for the jar. So I got this. You know that I've been watching people decorate their car, decorate my car with me, decorate my car with me, but I own no car. I don't even have license. So I was just watching their videos and I'll be doing now it's my turn to decorate my car. So that was where I got all this inspiration and all from that. Okay, you can buy this and that for your car to decorate it. I also got this one for the hand inside the car. There's one thing you can put your hand, especially these old women, they normally use it, or old men when they are inside car, they will see put it. I bought this one for that particular place. So yeah, I got this oh, you guys cannot see, let me open it. This one is like a bow tie. I got it for the front of the car. I don't know what they call those places. It's just decor where you can also put this air freshener for car hand. That's why I want to keep all of this. I also bought this cute key holder for my car key, including this bow, but I don't know who broke it, if it's my husband or Jasmine, because I gave my husband this key yesterday to help me keep something in the car. Yesterday when we came back from an appointment, so I don't know if it was the one or Jasmine. I don't think my husband will do that. Maybe it's Jasmine that broke it. So it's supposed to be this one for where I just explained and for my car key, but this one is broken. I have to reorder this one. But you see this one with this flower, this love, I really love it. So some things are missing here. This one is spray for your car, and it will be shining. Yes, like you can spray it inside the car and it will bring this shine, or you can also spray it on wardrobe, anything. Yeah, so I bought it for inside the car. This one is also decoration. Let me show you guys. Decoration for, I don't know if you know those lines that used to be in front of the car. I don't know what it's called. Even if I know, I've forgotten. So you can just slide them in as decor. If it's too long, you cut it. Just slide it. So that's why I bought this one. This one is this car USB, but this particular one have FM. It has where you can just press the button and make call, but I really need it for charging phone. Something is missing here. Something is missing. I said it. I've seen it. I got this cute little smileys. I love it. This particular one is, you know, when you are drinking water, where you drop the cup or bottle, so you can just put this design down underneath. So that place is where this one is going. Just put it inside. I beg, I newly get car. I don't know what they call all these things name. So anyways, I'll just be putting pictures side by side to explain what I'm trying to say, like to just expatiate on what I'm trying to say. Anyways, your girl got a car. You guys, I really need this car. You see, appointments for Diana, it choke like pretend babies. They will give you appointment back to back. Even today I went for an appointment, then a doctor gave me another appointment, another place to go and book appointment for vaccine, to go and book appointment for this head scan. Like, it's a lot. So many appointments and visits I'm doing for Diana. I did not do it for Jasmine because Diana is preterm, so they are taking all the measures to make sure she is okay, she's fine. Even if they know she's fine, they just want to be sure. It's a lot, so I need her to be doing all of this because I cannot be jumping bus when it's raining. Me and the baby will be under the rain. So I thank God Obi just like came to this conclusion to like get me a car, because it was even affecting him. Most of the time when I want to go for an appointment, you have to shift his work. He's in morning duty. He will now look for someone that will change with him, and then he will go to the appointment with me. It was a lot, but I thank God now things are now balanced, because I've been looking for a balance. So now I think it's balanced. So if I'm going for an appointment, I don't need to be dragging Obi up and down. So I now have my car to like be doing my things. I've jumped bus for a very long time, so it's time for me to now be doing things at my own convenience time, instead of saying the bus this time, the bus is almost leaving, hey, I need to address Jasmine, I need to do this, I need to do that. I thank God for everything. You guys drop a nice comment to my husband. Let me say thank you for him, for being selfless and for being considerate. You guys already know from the beginning of the pregnancy and till this stage, I've been documenting back to back, giving you guys all the tea, all the updates, and every step of the way. You guys already know, so it's just like I'm letting you into my life. So I just want to make this video, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. May God bless my husband, replenish his pocket for all he do for me and the kids. I'm so overwhelmed. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.